Guys, I'm here with the Vokul kick scooter. This thing retails at about $100 on Amazon. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and just show you how to assemble it, because it comes almost assembled, but not all the way. Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick assembly of this Vokul kick scooter. And it comes with good quality too. I was kind of actually surprised. Really, really nice quality. And it has a kickstand. Not many scooters you get have a kickstand. Let's get into it. So these are the handlebars. You see that? Handlebar, handlebar, handlebars. Well, this is the stem. Alright. That we're gonna connect these handlebars to. Got a couple Allen wrenches. The wheel, the front wheel, some lug nuts here. Not lug nuts, but some little screws. This is the kickstand. And we got the bolt. And of course we got the base here. Alright. Back wheel's already assembled. It has a fender. Little wheel fender here. It folds up so you can carry it for transport. You got this little, I don't know if you can see that, you got this little lever right here. That lever right there. Push that and it releases. Boom. Alright, so we have to assemble the wheel, the kickstand, and the handlebars. So we're going to put the handlebars on, like so. Align the holes up. You're going to use the smallest screws. I don't know if you can see that. We're going to use the smaller ones, because it's only one screw. Let's align. We're going to flip it over. Actually, we're going to close this, because that's already been assembled, so that locks the actual handlebars to the bar here. We have to align these holes. Alright. So get the Allen wrench. We're going to screw this in. Real simple. You got to be careful not to scratch the black paint with this Allen wrench too. So I see a scratch on here already that I did not do. So I know it scratches easily. Got that locked in there. I don't know if you can see that. Handlebars good to go. Ready to ride. Handlebars on. We're going to screw this onto the base now. So you see the base here? And we're going to screw it on. And then we're going to tighten it with these screws on the base. Alright? I'm going to hold this in place and we're going to screw. It's getting caught, getting a little stuck. There we go. There we go. Screw it down. Probably going to need to vacuum after this because it's shedding metal pieces all over me and the floor. Alright. So now we got two more screws right here. We're going to tighten this on the base of the scooter. Now, you got to make sure that you keep it straight because you don't want your handlebars crooked. So, I'm going to put my weight on this and try to balance this so it doesn't move. Alright. You guys can see this. You don't want the handlebars to move and go crooked. So if you do have somebody there with you, you might want to have them hold the handlebars while you tighten this. Alright, we're going to put the tire on now. Let's do that. Alright, let's flip this thing on over. Alright, now we're going to put the tire on. Put the screw through. Slide that through. We're going to put this bolt here, you can see that, into the hole. You're going to need to use both. You're going to have to hold one side and tighten with the other. Alright, we got the wheel on pretty tight. Rolls good. This sucker's almost ready to ride, y'all. Alright, so there's one little piece I forgot to put on before, but it's an easy screw on. It's this little thing here. Screws in to this right here. And this, I believe, is what's going to stop it from folding when you don't want it to fold. So you gotta screw that in real tight like. Let's install the kickstand. Flip it around. Kickstand goes right here in these two little holes. So, like so. We're gonna screw that in, and then we're done. And we're finished. It's ready to roll.
To the moon for you, going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets, gold heart-shaped lockets. I'm the plug in a socket.